Hi, I'm Brittany with Follow Up CRM. I'm going to walk through how to use the new Office and Contract Type Goals feature. To use this feature, click your name and select Company Settings from the dropdown. Select the People tab. Then select the $ icon for the user whose information you'd like to filter by office or contract type. Click the pencil icon for the month you want to filter by. Now we can see the user's quota information under the User Quota tab. You can filter these quotas by office location by selecting the Office Quota tab and choosing the office you'd like more focused information on. Enter in the percentage of the quota that is applied to that office and select the Add button. Immediately, you see the information displayed for different categories related to a chosen office quota. You can add multiple offices as long as the percentage you're applying to those offices does not total over 100%. And remember to click Save. You can focus in even more when filtering by contract type. Start by selecting the Contract Type Quota tab, and then select the contract type from the dropdown. Type in the quota percentage you're wanting to see, and select the Add icon. The categories will populate with information for the contract type and percentage that you've chosen, and remember to click Save. And now you can view this information on the home page. Remember to match the month on the home page with the same month that you chose to filter by, and remember to filter by the correct user, office, and contract type. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you get a more focused look at your quotas. Happy selling!